My name is Scott Holmes. I'm CEO of NWIC. NWIC, formerly known as Niagara Wireless Internet Company, is a rural internet provider providing services to mainly rural areas of the Niagara region. We also provide high-speed cable services to the urban areas. One of our biggest things that we do as an organization that's different than our competitors is that we are truly unlimited. So there's no data caps, there's no contracts. We try to earn the business each and every month. At NWIC, we're constantly expanding, growing our network. It's one of the things that we can do internally. We have tower climbers, we have people on construction crews that can build towers. The internet need is massive in Niagara. Through the pandemic, a lot of people are working from home and people will continue working from home. So as technology evolves and some new technology are coming out, we're going to be very busy in expanding our coverage areas and providing faster speeds. So NWIC does a lot of things working with the community. We've been a supporter of the Miracle on King Street initiatives for a number of years. We work with community care. We have discount programs for low-income families. Any charity or not-for-profit in the region immediately gets a 50% discount on their internet subscription plans. One of the things I'm most proud about with NWIC is that we've been able to deliver a service successfully to areas that other players have not wanted to play. So some of the larger companies just kind of ignored some of these pockets, and we went out of our way in certain spots where, you know, sometimes the business case doesn't make sense from an economic perspective. And we've been able to build that. The region's been growing, and we can turn things around. And it's from great people that we've had with us for a number of years and very talented in their areas of expertise. And just being able to see something from vision right through to completion to delivering a product is really exciting. Over the last year, NWIC has grown considerably. We've been able to deal with difficult situations through the pandemic and trying to provide service to people in desperate need. Some of our guys and girls working on the team have to, you know, really equip themselves to be able to handle the demand that's really gone on. So our team's worked really diligently and well over the last year to make sure that we provide the best service possible to our clients, and really proud of what the team has done. So we're excited, we're grateful to be nominated for this, and if we are chosen as winner, it's the biggest team win that we can have.